Hello and welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to download the Bank Zimmerberg application right on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get the Bank Zimmerberg mobile banking application on your mobile device, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open up your App Store or your Play Store. Into the search box, type in Bank Zimmerberg and perform your search. Soon after you find this application that says Mobile Banking Bank Zimmerberg application, tap on the Get button. Confirm your identity and then the download process should begin. The Bank Zimmerberg is a Swiss bank that offers a range of banking service including e-banking. You can complete your banking transaction with just one tap of a button and have access to all of your accounts and deposits 24 hours a day. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app. Agree to the necessary permissions by tapping on I agree and log into your e-banking account. That way you should be able to download the mobile banking application for Bank Zimmerberg. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.